Hey guys, welcome to Butterfly Beauty. This is Kelly Rosetta, creator of More Than Lupus. We're excited to have you joining us for another video today on the series of YouTube tutorials coming to you from Kelly's corner here in my bedroom, where we talk about things that you can do to help improve your self-care if you are a lupus girl or guy on the go. And one of the things that we've been talking about in previous videos are addressing hair loss and different things you can do about hair loss. You know, one of the things that lupus can cause is hair loss. It can cause patches, it can cause temporary hair loss. Also, lupus medications, like a lot of the stronger immunosuppressants, can cause your hair to fall out, cause it to thin, cause it to break. What do you do about it? Well, we've talked about before in one of our previous videos about hair pieces, extensions, hair halos, which is what I'm wearing right now. I've got a halo in. And today we're going to talk about wigs. Now, I did something kind of fun. I went onto Amazon and I went, okay, I want to order a couple of wigs, but I do not want to spend a lot of money because lupus is expensive. I have medical bills, I've got prescription co-pays, I've got expensive doctor co-pays. I don't want to spend a lot of money on wigs. However, I know that I'm going up on a medication in the next few weeks that's going to cause my hair to thin. So I thought this might be a fun thing to try and show you all out there that this might be an option for you as well. So I went online. I looked at two different types of wigs that were $15 and under, and I looked at the reviews. Now, are they gonna be amazingly perfect? No. Can you tell up close if they're a wig? Well, I'm gonna let you decide. I'm going to be right back with my first wig that I got on Amazon for $15, okay? I'm gonna show you some ways to style it and kind of give you some inspiration if that's something that you'd wanna try as well. You know, like I always say, wear a wig, don't wear a wig. Do your hair, don't do your hair. Wear extensions, don't wear extensions. Wear makeup, don't wear makeup. It doesn't matter. Inner beauty shines from the inside out. But if this is something that's going to put a little bit of a pep in your step and make you feel a little bit more confident and make you feel like a part of the land of the living, then go for it. Have some fun. And that's what we're going to do here. So I'll be right back with my first $15 wig from Amazon. Okay, here we go. Our little Amazon wig experiment. Went on to Amazon, got two different wigs. Both were about $15 each. And here's how they look. The first one is by Faelabaty, F-A-E-L-B-A-T-Y. It's a fashion wig. It's a little brown bob. Very, very close to my natural hair color. So let's see how this looks. There's a little fastener. I'm gonna undo it. Here we go. I got a little wig cap that they gave me. And yes, I know I look like I'm about to do a revival of Sound of Music. How do you solve a problem like Maria? Okay, so here we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Okay, let's figure these bangs out first. The color is actually very close to my, like I said, my natural color. There's a little clip in the back to keep your wig from falling off your head. Okay, so just work with these bangs a little bit. Now, the biggest giveaway with these wigs is the part, right? But what if you didn't show the part? Because I will say, this color is very close. And the actual wig itself, it's very flat, very flowy. It actually feels very similar to my hair color. But what if you were to take, since it's getting cooler now, you were to take a little knit cat and do something like this? No one would know that you're wearing a wig. How cute that is. It just looks like I got my hair dyed and colored. No one would know. And that's so easy to do. Say if I start my medication, my methotrexate, I have to go up on my methotrexate, my hair falls out or it thins, I'm feeling self-conscious about it, I don't really want to do my hair, I can just throw this on and put a little cap on and no one would even know. Kelly incognito. I think that's worth $15 right here. I really do. And maybe I can figure out how to do the bangs or even cut the bangs to make them look a little bit more. What do you think? Not bad. Not bad, you guys. Not terrible. All right, do you want to see the other one I got? You're gonna die. It's blonde. All right, so let's take this one off. And this one was, like I said, by Fail Batty Fashion Wig. This next one was by Quick Wigs. And it's a blonde ombre. Felt like being daring. All right, let's pull this down a little bit. By Quick Wigs, this was a little over $15. Now I know this one is gonna be a little shocking at first. Both of these I'm gonna need help with in the other mirror to get the back clip on. One thing I will say about this one for sure is that the part looks phony baloney. However, and it's kind of fun because the wig is a long bob, so it's shorter in the back, longer in the front. But what if we don't want to see the part here because it's, you know, only a $15 wig? What if we took a hat like I did last time and put this on? I mean, how cute is that? No one would know. People think I just colored my hair blonde. It's kind of fun, right? That's super fun. Or what if I wear a baseball cap and went totally country girl incognito? No one would know. See? $30 for 2 wigs that I can wear when my lupus is falling out from my hair loss. I think this is worth it, you guys. So if you want to know what wigs we got and how much they were, subscribe to this channel, like it, and also put in your comments below if you want us to order some other wigs and try on some different wigs, because this was pretty fun and I'm pretty impressed. I might wear this out today like this. I mean, why not? All right, guys. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe to Butterfly Beauty. Peace out, Lupies.